Today we have the 2020 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 84,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our start-stop. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, and if we go into our vehicle settings and in comfort and convenience, we can access our unique features such as Find My Car and Follow Me Home. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.